Your mind is for having ideas, not holding them. That's a line from Tiago Forte's book. Ever feel like you're drowning in information, articles, podcasts, emails, endless notes, yet nothing actually sticks? Well, you're not alone, and this book might just be the life raft you need. So, what's this second brain all about? Simply put, it's a digital system, a place outside your head, where you capture, organize, and actually use all the useful stuff you pick up every day. Imagine carrying around a trustworthy old notebook, but supercharged with search, organization, and infinite space. Let's break the book down into its core ideas, using Tiago Forte's code framework. First up, for capture. When something sparks your interest, a cool quote from a book, a clever tip from a podcast, or even a random shower thought, instead of trusting your memory, you just jot it down in your second brain. For me, that's as simple as pulling out my phone and typing it into my Notes app. The goal is to free your mind from the burden of remembering everything. Next, for organize. Here's the trick. Don't stash things by where you found them, like book notes or meeting notes. Instead, organize by action. Group things by how you'll use them. Working on a job application? All those helpful resume tips and interview questions go into your job hunt folder. Planning a trip? Keep all your travel ideas in one spot. It's about making information when you actually need it. Then comes for distill. We all love to highlight, but highlights alone won't save you. The idea here is to regularly go back and boil down your notes to the essentials, so when you look back, you see the gold, not just a messy pile of quotes. It's like sifting for nuggets in a river of words. Finally, for express. This is where it all comes together. Taking those collected ideas and putting them to work, writing, presenting, teaching, or even just making better decisions in your day-to-day life. Your second brain isn't just an archive, it's a launchpad for creativity and productivity. So why does all this matter? Because in today's world, information isn't the problem, finding and using it is. By building your own second brain, you lighten your mental load, boost your creativity, and actually get more done. It's not about remembering everything, it's about... Here's my question for you. If you could trust a system to hold all your ideas, what could you finally let go of? Think about it. If this sparked your interest, check out the book or try setting up your own digital second brain. Maybe start with just a Notes app and a few folders. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips like this, hit subscribe. Until next time, keep your mind clear and your second brain growing.